Broan NuTone, 157. Low profile and fan forced ceiling heater for bathroom, kitchen, and home. Review. Why choose ceiling mounted heater by Broan NuTone? Broan NuTone 157 is designed to heat a shed, a single room, or an efficiency apartment. Broan NuTone is a reputable manufacturer of HVAC equipment. So you know, you're getting durable and quality product. When paired with the ceiling fan in push mode, and it's pretty quick and effective. This saucer-shaped heater looks like an alien spacecraft, but it's actually a small-scale heater that mounts, similar to domed light fixtures, and the like. These are meant for a single, small to medium-sized room, and thus, you see them often in use, in the likes of sheds, sometimes bathrooms where you want a little more heat than the ambient house temperature, or efficiency apartments. Broan NuTone ceiling mounted heater. Pros and cons. Pros. Small footprint, and easy to install. Enclosed, sheathed element, disperses warmth evenly. Auto shutoff, for automatic overheat protection. Cons. Slow to heat for some. Fan. Becomes a bit noisy after some time. Thermal cutoff fuse, can be easily replaced. Broan NuTone 157, ceiling mounted heater, by features. Warmth, 9.5. Easy to install, 9.6. Heat output, 9.5. Durability, 9.4. Value for money, 9.5. Are you looking for safe and energy efficient, easy to install, ceiling mounted heater, for bathroom, kitchen, and home? Ceiling mounted heater, by Broan NuTone, is a popular, energy-saving heating supplement to your home, operating at 1,250 watts, and 120 VAAC. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Low-profile heater. Broan's 157, fan-forced ceiling heater, disperses heat evenly, from a unit that extends, only 2 3/4 inches from the ceiling. This ceiling-mounted heater, provides an energy-saving, heating supplement to your home, while operating at 1,250 watts, and 120 VAC. Functional design. Low-profile housing, and enclosed, metal sheath element, ensure reliable use, delivering an instant heat, with no waiting time. A permanently lubricated motor, automatic overheat protection, and UL listing, ensures reliable, safe operation. The heater features automatic shutoff. Durable, and reliable design. Broan 157, is made with a durable aluminum grille, with a satin finish, to match your existing decor. It is recommended that heater operation is controlled, with the choice of Broan wall controls, available separately. Trustworthy. Built-in, ceiling-mounted electric heaters, are a more efficient choice, for taking the chill out of individual rooms, than whole house heating. This characteristic, makes electric ceiling heater, ideal for heating bathrooms, or dressing areas, for short periods of time. Easy installation. The unit mounts easily to any standard 3.5-inch, or 4-inch round, or 4-inch octagonal ceiling electrical box, providing versatile choices, for an easy setup. Grill dimensions are 9 13/16 inch diameter. Based on over 1,130 customer reviews, and an overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. Ceiling-mounted heater, by Broan NuTone, is popular, fan-forced unit, with reliable design, and quality construction, providing supplemental heat, for bathroom, kitchen, and small room. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Worth the price, and worth the wait to heat up. I've replaced 3 of the Model 154 heaters, in 15 years at this house. They work, but they also don't last long. I'm hoping the 157 will last longer. Installation was simple. Took less than 30 minutes to swap out the old 154 heater and install the 157. As expected, this heater takes about 2 minutes to warm up, but it gets my 160 square feet, 15 square meters, bathroom toasty, in under 10 minutes. Says Eric Cloninger. 5 stars. Well worth the money. I wished we had changed out the old ceiling heater earlier than we did. It heats the bathroom up quickly, and stays warmer longer, even after turning the heater off. Also, I like the fact it is a known and reliable brand. I would recommend this item if you are thinking of replacing or adding a ceiling heater. says Norma. 5 stars. Small footprint above the ceiling. Good heat down below. This replaces the identical heater that was installed over 10 years ago. Since we live in the Northland of Minnesota, we get quite cold winters. It replaced a previous heater, which was just a conduit for cold air, in spite of all care and insulating we could provide. This model has a small footprint, as it just takes an 4 square inches box to be wired into. Great heat for our small bathroom, says Judy S. 5 stars. Excellent purchase. Excellent replacement for the model 154 we had. The 154 used a spring-type heating element. This 157 uses a solid element, similar to an electric stove. Simple installation, and works much better than the old 154. Better heat output, and air movement from fan. Warms up our small bathroom quickly, says David Corio. 3 stars. Not bad, but slow to heat. Not as noisy as the 154, which it replaced after several years, but it takes at least 3 minutes to put out heat. When you have to go tinkle in middle of a cold winter night, it is a long 3 minutes. The ceramic thingies that hold the heating coils vibrate loose, and the whole thing vibrates and rattles like crazy. Very noisy, says John B. 1 star. Worked fine for a month, then fan became very noisy. Purchased to replace our old ceiling heater, because the old fan seized. Heater worked great for about a month, before the fan became noisy, as if it became warped from heat from the heating coil. Fan sounds as if it is hitting something inside the enclosure, says Kyle. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.